correct or give the lightest advice when it comes to setting SMART goals. SMART goals are all it is ensuring that we are able to put in action steps in order to get to our goals. Now, I know a lot of people get super stressed out when we are wanting to set goals and things like that because it seems daunting. So this is going to help you break that up and for you to be able to really understand and grasp how you can go about setting certain goals. Do some of these things sound familiar? You set goals but don't seem to reach them. Setting goals but cannot integrate them into your daily life or routine. You give up and going into self-sabotage and victim mindset. Nothing works and I've tried everything. So with regards to this is we are setting goals and we are unable to put them into our daily lives, which means they are not relatable or realistic, and we are trying to set things that are super hectic for us, and we end up not achieving that, and we think that we are failing, which is not even close to being the truth. We just need to go around it